China's robots just crossed a line no one thought possible. Machines that walk, think, cook, and now give birth. From humanoid chefs to pregnancy bots, from robotic butlers to artificial astronauts, the age of human machines is no longer coming. It's here. China's rise as a robotic superpower. Let's be honest, 5 years ago, the idea of a robot walking, talking, or cooking like a human felt like distant science fiction. But today, China has pulled off something extraordinary. While Silicon Valley focused on software, China quietly built embodied intelligence, AI that doesn't just think, but moves, feels, and acts. From its government labs in Shenzhen to private startups in Hangzhou, China is unleashing humanoids that rival, and in some ways surpass, Western robotics. And what's driving it all? A combination of massive data access, state funding, and a national goal to become the AI robotics leader by 2030. Kepler K2 Bumblebee, the robot that walks like a human. Meet Kepler Robotics, K2 Bumblebee. At first glance, it looks like just another humanoid robot, until you see it walk. Unlike Boston Dynamics' Atlas, or Tesla's Optimus that shuffle with bent knees, Bumblebee moves with a perfectly straight-legged gait. This subtle change is revolutionary. It's the difference between watching a robot move and watching a robot exist. Why does it matter? Because walking upright requires balance control, limb coordination, and joint torque calculations so complex that even advanced AI models struggle to simulate it. Kepler's engineers achieved it using multi-sensor fusion AI, combining vision, depth mapping, gyroscopes, and neural motion planning to predict the next step like a human brain does. It doesn't follow pre-coded movements. It feels its walk in real time. And beyond its motion, Bumblebee can gesture, interact, and even mirror human postures. A leap that could transform how robots fit into public spaces, hospitals, and education. X Square's Quanta X2, the true robotic butler. Now imagine a humanoid that doesn't work in a factory, but in your living room. That's where X Square's Quanta X2 comes in. It's not built for welding parts or lifting crates. It's designed for service. Quanta X2 can make coffee, fold laundry, deliver meals, or assist the elderly. Its dexterous 5-finger hands can hold delicate glassware or handle kitchen knives safely. But its real superpower lies in its AI, the Wall OSS embodied model. Unlike language models that understand words, this model understands movements. It learns by watching humans, recording every action, and reproducing it with its own mechanical body. This is embodied cognition, the fusion of brain and body. It's where robots stop being programmed and start learning through experience. In short, Quanta X2 is the butler of the future, trained not with code, but with observation. Kaiwa Technology's pregnancy robot, birth in the machine age. Now, brace yourself, because this one crosses into deeply human territory. Kaiwa Technology has introduced something few thought would ever exist, a pregnancy simulation robot with an artificial womb. This humanoid system can simulate everything from fetal development and heartbeat monitoring to uterine contractions. Why build something like this? The company says it's for medical training and reproductive research, but the implications go far beyond medicine. If perfected, such systems could one day support premature births, assist in deep space colonization, or even explore post-human reproduction. Still, it raises questions that go beyond science. If machines can simulate birth, what does life mean? If robots nurture artificial embryos, where do we draw the line between biology and technology? China isn't just pushing robotics forward. It's pushing humanity into philosophical uncharted territory. Jack Ma's Ant Group chef robot, culinary AI takes the stage. Meanwhile, in a more delicious development, Jack Ma's Ant Group unveiled a robot chef capable of preparing complex dishes autonomously. During a live demonstration, the humanoid cooked garlic shrimp in front of a packed audience. It controlled the flame, adjusted seasoning, and even plated the food beautifully, without human input. This Chef A system uses reinforcement learning, meaning it improves by trial and error, just like a human cook refining a recipe. It even uses AI-powered chemical sensors to taste and adjust seasoning. Jack Ma calls this the start of the smart kitchen revolution. It's not about replacing chefs, it's about redefining consistency and creativity in food automation. Imagine walking into a restaurant where the chef never gets tired, never burns your meal, and remembers every preference you've ever had. Tesla's Optimus and the global humanoid arms race. On the global stage, Tesla's Optimus has become the face of Western humanoid robotics. Elon Musk envisions factories filled with thousands of them, replacing human labor in manufacturing, logistics, and maintenance. But while Tesla perfects its prototypes, China is scaling fast. Startups like Fourier Intelligence, Kepler, and Unitree are mass-producing humanoid robots for less than 1/5 the cost. According to new market data, China could surpass the US in humanoid deployment within 2 years. It's not just a tech race, it's a strategic one. Whoever controls humanoid production controls the next industrial revolution. NASA's artificial astronauts, machines in space. But robotics isn't staying on Earth. NASA is developing artificial astronauts, humanoid robots built for long-term deep space missions. Unlike earlier mechanical rovers, these new AI astronauts can make decisions, perform repairs, and interact with humans naturally. They're designed to withstand cosmic radiation, extreme temperatures, and months of isolation. The concept is simple. Let robots build the first bases on Mars before humans arrive. They'll handle setup, construction, and research autonomously. China, of course, has a similar plan. Its Deep Space AI Robotics Initiative aims to create long-duration humanoid explorers for its lunar and Mars programs. In space, AI is not competition, it's survival. AI massage robots. The everyday future is already here. While space robots sound futuristic, everyday AI robotics is already quietly entering our lives. Take Escape, a US-based company that built AI-powered massage robots now active in several American spas. These pods scan your body using 3D vision, analyze muscle tension, and adapt pressure in real time, delivering a consistent, personalized massage every time. No talking, no scheduling, just smart automation of touch and therapy. This may sound small, but it marks a turning point. Robots are learning to interact physically with humans in intimate, trust-based settings. Soon, we could see similar systems in hospitals, elder care centers, and fitness facilities across the world. Why it all matters. The age of embodied AI. What ties all these breakthroughs together is one concept: embodied AI. It's not about robots replacing humans, it's about intelligence that can exist in the world. For decades, AI was trapped inside screens. It could chat, predict, and simulate, but not act. Now, that intelligence has a body and a will to move. From humanoid butlers and chefs to pregnancy simulators and astronauts, China's robotics revolution is transforming every frontier, body, mind, and beyond. This isn't the rise of machines against humans. It's the merging of the two, the dawn of human-like machines that mirror our strengths, flaws, and maybe even emotions. Humanoids are no longer coming. They're already among us. The question isn't if they'll change our lives. It's how far we'll let them go. If you found this mind-blowing, hit like, subscribe, and share this video to join the discussion on the future of AI and robotics. Comment below. Would you trust a robot to cook for you or raise your child? Because ready or not, humanity's next evolution is standing on 2 robotic legs. Kaiwa Technology has introduced something few thought would ever exist: a pregnancy simulation robot with an artificial womb. Quanta X2 can make coffee, fold laundry, deliver meals, or assist the elderly. Jack Ma's Ant Group unveiled a robot chef capable of preparing complex dishes autonomously.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.